So I'm going to go ahead and just show you kind of a different video here of some of the things that I'm running into. And actually, if you have any advice, I would welcome it. I admit I'm getting a bit frustrated here too. So first of all, I can't seem to get a build to work on this game anymore at all. And it's going to show the errors on the screen. So I'm going to say build, or sorry, edit. Wait, no, it's file, isn't it? File, build settings. All that should be ready. And I'm going to tell it to build. And we're going to go into builds. Now, I had tried to put it into build 2. If I'm doing this wrong, let me know. But I cannot get the game to build. So I have a select folder. I've selected build 2. It's importing. And it's reloading scripts. And here in a minute, it's going to run errors in a minute, I think. At least it did earlier. Oh, maybe this time it's gonna build and, tell me that I'm wrong now. All right, let's go in. I'm just gonna take you through the whole computer here. Let's see, where do I have that? I have that on Myth Mayhem. All right, so it's document. No, it's not. It's on the drive. It's on the C drive. Okay, C drive. Unity. Myth Mayhem. Myth Mayhem. Myth Mayhem, build 2, nothing's in there. Okay, so I'm going to try it again. This time I'm going to tell it to build and run. I'm on Myth Mayhem, I'm on build 2. If I go into builds, I could try it, but I can't seem to get it to do anything with that either. So if I go in this way, I can hit this new build folder, I can select folder. I'm building and run. It says can't build while editor is importing scripts. I told it to run too. Did I select build or build and run that time? I don't even know. Let me try it one more time. Build. All right, cancel. Wait. Build and run. I told it to build and run this time. I know I did. Okay, because it's on that button now. So new build, builds, new build. Select the folder. Run the scripts. And it's not running it. And I've tried to go into the other folders. I don't know. I cannot get it to run. So that's the first issue. So we're going to go into the main menu, and I'm going to discuss too what everybody has done here. So this works for the select click character, but I think I pressed main menu. So that's a problem because this is supposed to be the character choice menu. I'm going to open this. Let's see. Oh wait, maybe it is. Maybe it's just doing things. Okay, so if I press play, Mythology Mayhem, and I say new game, and then this is partway through the game right before you go into Library of Alexandria door. So I don't know what happened, but it's not starting over at this for the new game. This is a lot of dev issues, I guess, and I don't know how to fix them. Okay, so we have a character select. We're going to go into the character select menu. Daria did put together the character select menu for me, but there are some issues after you get out of the character select menu. I will show you. So here's my character. She does walk and everything. What I've done for the past month is work on all these other characters to integrate them into the game. She does that, and it goes off on the side. And that's not how I animated her, so I'm going to guess it has something to do with the programming again, because it's also showing the acts from the other player. But we're going to hit confirm, and now we have that. And she was working a bit ago, but now she's not. I can go into it again here. Choose another one. I'm going to choose another one this time. And I could even choose from the main menu. So, I don't know what's going on. There we go. See, so we're back at that scene. And, well, at least it played the character. But we're back at another scene instead of a main menu. And it was playing the character, but it's not now. All right, let's open this up. Let's play it from the main menu to start. Let's start by selecting a character, because that shouldn't be continuing either. We'll pick him this time. And it does that. So I don't know. I thought it was fixed. It's not. Like I said, this was what Daria was working on this month. Um, I have no idea. There for a bit, I was able to get them to play, and but there were some issues. So I have another video on that too, and I'm just gonna include it in this one as well. All right, so if we go into the other thing that we were trying to do this entire time is the 2D labyrinth. I see that there's more than one here now. I do not know why. But if I go into a 2D labyrinth, we're going to go into this one. And I know Samantha was working on the 2D labyrinth. And the enemy is a satyr. But it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be minotaurs. So, and just to show you too, part of that, like I said, I'm just going to take you all over the computer here. Inside my Mythology Mayhem folder, which I've sent to my team here multiple times, inside the art, inside Greek, because we're still on Greek level, 2D, Greek 2D. Come on, go into 2D. And I have the Minotaurs right here. So I know I gave them the folder. These are all the Minotaurs. They are marked Minotaur. They are not marked Satyr. Just to show you. So yeah, they're in there. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, so that's him. But even when I play it, because I know she's been working on this full month. She was supposed to get the Minotaurs, not Satyrs, the Minotaurs up and running in the 2D labyrinth scene. And then we were supposed to get the levers working on the wall as well. So if I go ahead and play, and it might even take me, okay, so it switches characters. I don't know why. Probably has something to do with other system. The animations were not like this either. He did not grow big and then small as he was walking and idling, but it's like that now. And you are supposed to interact with the press C to interact, and you're supposed to be able to hit these levers and change them. So I'm pressing E right now. None of them work. But yeah, this is what she's been working on this month. And I'm going to go over this one as well. Nope. And then the door, you're supposed to go in and out of the door to look at the levers for the labyrinth. Oh, I know why there's two scenes then. That's the other scene that's not working either, but oh well. Okay, so that mystery's solved. And then when I tried to go in there too, it just stops. So this was the month of programming. Actually, I thought some of the labyrinth I really thought would be done with last month when Tyrese was with me, but I don't think he got to the 2D parts at all of the scene. So let me go back again here, and then if I go into this 2D labyrinth, because that was part of what she was working on too this month, we'll go ahead and load it. Again, he's kind of strange. I can redo all the animations. That's what I did all month, though, was work on the animations of all 4 playable characters. And then I was also working on the Fates. We're not even ready for the Fates. I know Daria went ahead and was trying to do the Fates quiz. And, but yeah, we're not quite ready for the Fates because we need to get the Labyrinth done before we can do the Cavern. We'd have to do all the puzzles in the Cavern. Fates are at the end of the Cavern before you go into the final boss fight with Medusa. Yeah, you're supposed to be able to drag things in and out of this labyrinth and put them on top of the columns, but yeah, I can't get into a door or anything. And then when I try to do that and escape or whatever, it just stops completely. It doesn't go back to the main thing. Let me see what else. Oh, well, we could try to go in by the labyrinth door, because before I had at least been able to go into by the labyrinth door. So Greek 3D labyrinth. Oh yeah, that's the mesh. Okay, so we don't need that. We're going to go into labyrinth because it was also not really working, I think. And this was working when Tyrese was there on it and nothing. I mean, I guess I could possibly change this, but nothing. Nothing. So it's like the whole thing is down. But I know that 3D Labyrinth was working when Tyrese and Drew were on the team. Yeah, now I can't even get the labyrinth to work inside the game. So I know it's not exactly a presentation, but I'm just showing you what the dev team was working on this month, and I really don't have much to present because other than the character menu, um, let's go back. Really, that's all that's somewhat been accomplished completely. And I mean, maybe it's just bugs in the code or something. Maybe I'm not getting the full build. I don't know. But other than they are here on this screen, and you can confirm, but then it does this. So I don't know. All right, so this is the video for the somewhat of updates, I guess, of Mythology Mayhem, although there wasn't exactly updates.